In this video, we'll show you how to set up and send a targeted alert. This is an alert that you tailor to a specific incident. If you have no preset instant alert, you can quickly build one for virtually any situation. You build a targeted alert in 4 steps. First, you choose your message. Second, you choose your target locations. Third, you choose any additional distribution methods. And fourth and final, you review and dispatch the alert. To begin, we will click on the Build Alerts button in the upper left-hand window, upper left-hand portion of our alerts window. That takes us to the step 1, which is to select an alert. In the upper left-hand corner, I have a drop-down menu of alert categories, and in each category, I have different alerts that have been created. In this case, I'll choose a suspicious package alert. Clicking on the suspicious package alert gives me some information about it. I can see the name of the alert. I can see the text that will be displayed on the LCD screen on the help station. I can see the duration of the alert and the number of times that the voice announcement will repeat during this alert. My next step is to select some location targets. So I click on step number 2, and there are several ways I can select the locations for this alert. I can use the expanding menu tree that is located in the window, and by expanding these locations, I can see all the locations in my demo system. So if I wanted to select the entire demo system, I simply click on the little checkbox next to that, and you can see all the locations in the demo system have been selected for alerting. I can also see up in my step 2 that the green check mark indicates that step 2, selecting targets, has been completed. To clear that selection, I would simply click on the Clear Targets button and confirm. The second way to select location targets is to use the map. I'm going to go back out here to my campus view. If I simply click on a building, you can see the red outline indicates I have selected that building for alerting. And if I look over here in my menu, my targets menu, I can see that all the units in that building have been selected. If I go forward through the different map views, I can see all the floors have been selected, and if I look at the first floor, I can see that my unit on the first floor has been selected. So that's how you do the selection using the map. I can deselect by simply clicking again on the building, which deselects it, and you see in my menu all the items are deselected. Or I could have used the Clear Targets button again, and we saw how to do that. The third and final way to select is to use groups that I have recently used, my quick groups. So when I mouse over the Quick Groups button, I get a drop down that gives me selection of recently used groups. So if I wanted to select the outside the building unit, clicking on that selects it. I can see down here outside the building is check marked in my menu. The outside the building unit has been selected here on the map. And once again, I have a check mark in step number 2 to show that that step is complete. My next step is to select the distribution of this alert, and I have several options here. I see a list of distribution methods and other notification systems that this alert will be pushed out to. I've got my Metis indoor and outdoor devices. Here I've got Cisco phones, and I've got a Twitter account. If I want to deselect, for example, Cisco phones, I simply click on the selection button, and that slides it over to the off. I do get a warning or confirmation screen because this selection may affect which devices go into alerting mode. I say OK. If I want to reselect that, I would simply click on the button and slide it back to on. So now I'm at the point where step 1, select an alert, has been completed. Step 2, select my targets, has been completed. Step 3, selection of my distribution methods has been completed. I'm ready to review and send my alert. So I click on the Review Alert button down here in the right on step number 4. And that gives me some information about the alert that is ready to go out. I know the name, I know the selected targets, and I know the distribution methods. If I'm ready to send the alert, I'll click on Send Alert, and this will bring up a Send Alert confirmation window. We can see the name of the alert, the groups, locations, and devices that have been selected, the name of the system, as well as the name of the system operator. At the bottom we have a Cancel button and a Send button. Just like the Instant Alert, the Send button is a click and hold to avoid accidentally sending off an alert with a single click. So we click and hold, and in 3, 2, 1, the alert is sent. We can see on the map the outdoor notification help station is alerting, and over here in the dispatch details we see information about the alert. And that's how easy it is to send an alert using the Metasecure emergency notification system.